a little overboard.
Oops. Wrong button.
Look at sizes. This one.
She keeps blocking my Did you break it?
No, I didn't.
Are you ready?
Yes.
She's ready.
Today we're going to do a thrift haul with all the stuff that Mommy has bought from Dollar Tree.
You ready to dive in? All right. Let's
Just
do
to let
it.
you know, there's tons of stuff. Okay, so first things first. What do you need for Christmas, of course? Christmas trees. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these things.
Yeah,
Let's just stick together if you put them together.
So if you guys remember, last year I created a Christmas tree village with these little houses from Dollar Tree, and I'll link to that video if you guys haven't seen it yet. But I saw these at Dollar Tree this year and I thought they were so cute, I just had to get them. And I think it would be pretty to incorporate within that little Christmas village.
What do trees have sometimes? Berries. And bushes also have berries as well. But what not to have snow, fake snow, on these berries?
Yep, those are really pretty. Those are new this year. And then these frosted like ferns, these are really pretty too. So maybe I'll make an arrangement, or maybe even use them to add stuff to my Christmas tree, like add filling.
Or paint it red for where the red fern grows. What do you need on your Christmas tree? Of course, Christmas ornaments. We've got these little Christmas ornaments with berries and little mini pine cones on them.
I think those are really pretty, aren't they? I don't even have to do anything with it. I'm just going to leave it like that.
Yeah. And like, this is like made out of cardboard or something.
Yeah, I think like corrugated. I think that's the word.
And then
Corrugated.
painted with white painted with white paint on the edges.
Yeah, like it has a little snow.
Yeah, but why not make ornaments yourself? We've got these clear ornaments that maybe Mommy can make.
I did make something out of them. We did a video with some of my YouTuber friends on
maybe
Instagram.
Maybe she can make more, or we can make more.
All right, these little hats. These are so cute. Look at that cute little black buffalo check print.
So it's black and white buffalo check print with fake grass as well, with berries also painted like with white like stuff or something, and like some bells and a little spitting right here. But we've got these Merry Christmas bells. It says Merry Christmas. It's red and black buffalo check.
That's right.
Print and some like fake Christmas tree stuff that they have on Christmas trees. Pine cones, some burlap ribbon, and some berries. It's a little bell. Ding 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 ding. What is on Santa's reindeers on their necks? Bells.
We had to get some bells because, you know, we like the sound of.
Apparently, she's turned into a rock star.
These cute little garlands. I got some with white on them, and then I also have a little gold one. Yep. We got some of that. All right, next one.
So, isn't this adorable?
It's a tag. A little Christmas tag. I might
And
DIY
by the way,
that,
it's not paper. It's hard cardboard or
yeah, yeah. It's like a thick. I don't know.
We've got some of these snowflakes. They're wooden and these are totally paintable. Is that word? Paintable?
Yep.
Okay. This is an adorable truck made out of some sort of cardboard or something. And this is gold with glitter on it. And it looks so pretty because it actually looks like it's towing a Christmas tree in the back. So, we've got these to decorate for Christmas. And a gingerbread man lives in it. They're so it's so adorable. That say peace. They're decorated so nice. It's black and white buffalo check pattern. It says peace. Little mailbox. Apparently she's gonna send a whole bunch of letters to Santa.
Yes, I deserve some good things for Christmas this year.
And look, it's even got a little Santa sign.
Yep.
And it says, do not open until Christmas.
So, I got these cute little mason jars.
That
Little
each say their own cute thing, like happy holidays and have a jolly Christmas. We've got a red and black buffalo check ribbon bow.
That's right. Okay, next one.
Ribbon.
What else? What else? What else?
We've got these two little, also black and red buffalo check ribbons.
What else?
Which
What we
are
got?
just too small. And
then it's so cute.
a tree skirt. It probably to you looks like a doll dress. That's what I thought it was when she showed this to me. But it's a tree skirt.
Right here.
We've got another tag. It's a bit more giant. And if you can see,
It's
it
a
says,
bit more giant.
Okay, so it says here, it's the most wonderful time of the year. And yes, winter is the most wonderful time of the year.
It is.
But I love all the seasons. I love summer, also spring and fall. But I think winter is very great too. And look, deer and or reindeer. We've got some white pom-poms, which I think I know what these are for. These are the wooden stickers you can get at Dollar Tree. These are Christmas socks, the candy, or what?
Candy canes or stockings?
Candy canes.
Stockings?
Stockings.
Or mittens?
Mittens. We've got these LED light sets, of course, so helpful for Christmas trees.
Yep, and we got the clear white, cute little frame. It says...
Let it snow.
It does say let it snow.
Let it snow, let it snow. If you know that song. Let it snow.
And then I got these two cute little candle.
This says
Like-
Merry Christmas. Candle holder. That
Yep.
says Noel, and that says Merry Christmas, of
Oh,
course.
these are so
and of
cute.
course, there has to be a star on top.
Yep. Also got this little bucket right here. It's really cute. I like the shape of it.
Let
So
it snow.
we got this one. It says Merry Christmas. Yeah, we got some Epsom salt.
We got some Epsom salt, and we've got some white sand. For another guess, maybe this is for some fake snow. I have no idea what she's up to right now, but what do you guys think she's up to?
We
We'll
got-
be reading your comments.
Pine picks.
Pine branches.
Yeah, they're to add more
Yeah.
branches to little trees and stuff.
Uh-oh.
Because I got another little Christmas tree. Where is it? I don't even know where I put it.
Look. Uh-oh. This one escaped somehow.
I got
We
this
got
Christmas
this
tree as
Christmas
well.
tree. It's
And
a
I just
little
created a cute little DIY out of the other one. And I'm going to be hopefully doing the same thing with this one.
Got this, like fish bowl.
A fishbowl.
We got a peace sign.
Yes, we do.
Wait, is that backwards for the camera?
No, it should read fine.
Oh, actually, no, it is kind of backwards.
Is it?
Yeah, it is, because if you do
Really?
it like this.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Sorry, my mistake. Here, peace. Sorry, it's just on our end, we see it totally differently. Peace. If you can see the tree, the A is a Christmas tree.
No, isn't that cute? We got some
these
tags.
little chalkboard tags according to this.
Alright.
Okay, so we've got some of these wooden planks.
Yep, we did.
For I have no idea. We've got 3 of them.
And we got like 4 packs.
No,
because
4 packs.
My mom needed some, so I got her some too. That's why.
It's a bag full of frames. Not necessarily frames, but you'll see. So we've got some of these little
Canvas frames.
canvas. We've got some smallest to biggest. We've got a really tiny one. We've got a small one, and we've got a big one.
We got some.
Snow spray.
Oh yeah.
Snow spray.
For blocking the trees and the branches, making it look like they have snow. We got a couple of those. I got a couple of these little smaller wreath forms. I want to make a couple of wreath forms for my kitchen.
We've got this beautiful frame.
Yeah.
Right here. It is...
I think that's it. So that concludes our Dollar Tree haul.
Make sure to give a like to this video and make sure to subscribe to the Latina Next Door as well as the Latino Next Door.
Oh, she's a smart cookie. Well, we'll see you guys in the next one.
Until then,
adios.